What's up? Dylan here with No Limits. Today we're going to be talking about DINs. Your DIN is a setting on your binding which determines how much force is needed for you to eject from your ski. Factors such as height, weight, skier level, and boot length determine your DIN. Having a high DIN is beneficial for aggressive skiers who take big landings and are putting a lot of force into their ski, because it ensures that the ski won't come off when it doesn't need to. However, in the event of a crash, if your DIN is set so high to where you don't eject, it puts you at risk for serious injury. Having a low DIN is a better option for beginner skiers because it basically guarantees that your ski will come off if you lose control, keeping you out of any dangerous situations. Here's an example of how different DIN settings can affect your day on the mountain. Here's a video of a jump from last season. As you can see here, I land and the binding ejects from the force, sending me into a crash. And this is the same jump, same day, just on a different pair of skis with a different DIN. And as you can see here, I land, the binding takes the force, and I ride away clean. To see what your DIN is currently at, there are DIN windows on the toe and heel piece of every binding which display the current DIN level. To calculate your DIN, use a DIN calculator such as this one. Input your information and it'll tell you what your settings should be. It's a good idea to increase your DIN as you get better at skiing. Make sure to check out the next video where I'll be showing you how to adjust your DINs.